How's it going, people? Another video here from Old Crow's Classic Cars. I'm here today with my friend. If you guys don't remember, a few years ago I started restoration work on a 1966 Thunderbird, and the client ended up donating the car to me. And for those of you that don't know, I ended up moving off-grid, and I was no longer able to fix the car. So I donated the car to him for him to continue the restoration project. And once the car is finished, it's going to be sold, and all the profits are going to be donated to families in need. So if you want to watch the full series of our restoration work, you can see it in my channel, Old Crow's Classic Cars. And make sure to subscribe and check the full series out on his channel. It's in Portuguese though, but it's called Garage CA. Thanks for watching, and help us out. Thanks.